Hey there, pancake lover. Tired of the same old recipe? I've got a game changer for you. Today, we're whipping up fluffy pancakes without vanilla essence, and trust me, they're even better. Ready to impress at breakfast? All ingredients are in the description. Let's get flipping. Alright, let's get started with our easy pancake recipe 2024. First, grab a large bowl and combine 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Whisk these dry ingredients together until they are well mixed. This step ensures that the baking powder and salt are evenly distributed throughout the flour, which helps our pancakes rise evenly and taste great. Next, add 2 tablespoons of sugar to the dry ingredients. Whisk again until the sugar is evenly distributed. The sugar not only adds a touch of sweetness but also helps to create a nice golden brown color on the pancakes as they cook. In a separate bowl, whisk together 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 1/2 cup of milk, or warmed milk if you're using powdered milk, and 1 large egg. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and whisk until the mixture is smooth. The melted butter adds richness, while the vanilla extract gives a lovely aroma and flavor to our pancakes. Now, pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. The batter should still be slightly lumpy. Overmixing can make the pancakes tough, so it's okay if there are a few lumps left in the batter. Heat a non-stick skillet or griddle over medium-low heat. Add a small amount of butter to the pan to grease it. This helps prevent the pancakes from sticking and adds a bit of extra flavor. You'll know the pan is ready when a drop of water sizzles on the surface. Using a 1/4 cup measuring cup, scoop the batter onto the pan. This helps ensure that all your pancakes are the same size and cook evenly. You should hear a gentle sizzle as the batter hits the pan. Cook the pancakes for about 2-3 minutes on the first side, until bubbles appear on the surface and the edges start to dry. This is a sign that the pancakes are ready to be flipped. The bubbles help to create a light and fluffy texture inside the pancakes. Flip the pancakes and cook for another 1-2 minutes, until they are golden brown. The second side usually cooks faster than the first, so keep an eye on them to prevent burning. You want a nice, even golden color on both sides. Serve the pancakes hot with your favorite toppings. Some great options include butter, maple syrup, honey, whipped cream, or fresh fruits. Feel free to get creative with your toppings. Maybe try some chocolate chips, nuts, or a sprinkle of cinnamon for a fun twist. Enjoy your delicious homemade pancakes. And that's it. Enjoy this delicious recipe. Before I go, don't forget that there's a link in the video description with the 3 best cookbooks. They will help you cook like a professional chef, with new recipes and great tricks. Click now and improve your cooking skills. See you in the next recipe.